Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Hi, Anna. How are you today?
Hi, John. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. It's such a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and warm, perfect for a walk in the park.
Do you come here often?
Not really. I usually stay at home. What about you?
I come here every weekend. I like walking and watching the ducks.
Oh, that sounds fun. I love ducks. Do you feed them?
Yes, sometimes, but I only give them bread once in a while.
That's nice. Bread isn't always good for ducks, though.
Really? What should I give them?
Seeds or small pieces of vegetables are better for them.
Oh, I didn't know that. Thanks for telling me.
No problem. So, what else do you like to do here?
I also like reading under the trees. It's so relaxing.
That sounds wonderful. I should try that sometime.
You should. It's a great way to enjoy the park.
Thanks, John. Maybe I'll join you next weekend.
That would be fun. See you then, Anna.
See you, John.
So, Anna, do you have any plans for next weekend?
Not yet. What about you?
I was thinking of coming to the park again. Maybe we can meet here.
That's a great idea. What time should we meet?
How about 10 in the morning?
10 o'clock a.m. works for me. Should I bring anything?
Maybe a book or some snacks. We can read and have a small picnic.
A picnic sounds fun. I'll bring some fruit and sandwiches.
Perfect. I'll bring juice and a blanket to sit on.
Great. Do you think we'll have time to play any games?
Sure. Do you like badminton?
Yes, I do. I'll bring my racket. Do you have one?
Yes, I do. This is going to be so much fun.
I'm excited already. I love spending time outdoors.
Me too. And this park is the best place for it.
It really is. Okay, so we'll meet here at 10 a.m. next Saturday.
Got it. I'll text you to remind you on Friday.
Thanks, John. See you next weekend. Hi, John. Good morning.
Hi, Anna. Good morning. You're right on time.
Of course. It's such a lovely day for a picnic.
It really is. Look, I found a nice spot under that big tree.
Oh, that's perfect. Let's set everything up.
Here's the blanket. I'll spread it out.
Great. I brought sandwiches, apples, and some cookies.
Yum. I brought orange juice and some cups.
Everything looks so good. Thank you for bringing the juice.
You're welcome. Let's sit down and enjoy.
Okay. Oh, look. There's a squirrel over there.
It's so cute. It's probably looking for food.
Do squirrels eat fruit?
Yes, they do. But we shouldn't feed wild animals too much.
That's true. Let's just watch it from here.
Good idea. After we eat, do you want to play badminton?
Yes, I've been waiting for that. Did you bring your racket?
I sure did. Let's eat first, then we'll start the game.
Sounds like a plan. These sandwiches are delicious.
Thank you. I made them this morning.
You made them? Wow. You're a good cook, John.
Thanks, Anna. I enjoy cooking sometimes.
That's a great skill to have. I should learn from you.
I can teach you. Maybe we can cook together next time.
I'd love that. But first, let's win this badminton game.
Hi, you think you can beat me?
I'll try my best. Let's finish eating and start the match.
Oh, okay.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.